Welcome student in my math step by step class. Today in fraction part 18 we will do using BODMAS. So how we will use BODMAS in simplification of fractions. See the math we have done earlier. So BODMAS is the abbreviation for the steps which we follow while simplification of a fraction. So B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So see, if we have given a question which has bracket, off and all these operations. So first we have to solve bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So let's do the question and then you will easily be clear that how we will follow these abbreviation or these steps. So like first question I have taken is 3 upon 2 of 3 upon 4 divided by 9 upon 2. So first thing is you have to check and observe the question attentively. So solution you will write. First step is to copy the question. 3 upon 2 of 3 upon 4 divided by 9 upon 2. So while copying the question you will easily make sure that which step you have to do first, and the topic which you have done will be you will revise in a quick moment. So here no bracket is there, off is there, so first we will do off. So 3 upon 2 off will be multiplication. We can write multiplication sign in place of off. So multiply 3 upon 4 divided by 9 upon 2. And we have to focus on the operation. Rest of the terms will be written as they are in the question. No change. 9 upon 3 3s are 9 and 2 4s are 8. So we will write 9 upon 8. Then we will division 9 upon 2. So this is the sum of division again that we have done yesterday. So 9 upon 8 and division will change into multiplication. Reciprocal of 9 upon 2 is 2 upon 9. So we will write here. So 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9 and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we will write 1 upon 4 answer. Right? Easy question. I think you have understood. After this I have taken some more questions. So second question is also very good question. So question is 5 upon 6 of 3 upon 4 divided by 7 upon 8 into 1 upon 2. Then first step is to copy the question attentively. So we will copy the question, or you will copy the question. I have copied, but you have to do first step. 5 upon 6 of 3 upon 4 divided by 7 upon 8 into 1 upon 2. Right? As I have said, you have to change only that much which operation you are doing. No bracket are there, off is there. So first we will go for off. 5 upon 6, off will change into 3 upon 4. Rest will be written in the same way. No change. Division, same term. Right? Or if it is mixed, so I have changed it into 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2 and 3 upon 2. That much you can do. Okay? But no operation. So 5 upon 8. Like, see, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 5 1s are 5 and 2 4s are 8. Right? Then here, divided by 7 upon 8 into 3 by 2. Right? Then 5 upon 8 here, see, into this 8 1s are 8 and 5 upon 7 is there into 3 by 2. So we will write 5 3s are and 7 2s are and 15 upon 4. 5 3s are 15, 7 2s are 14, 15 upon 4. So here 1, this is improper, so I will change it into mixed fraction. So 14 1s are 14 and 1 remainder 15. So this is the answer, 1 upon 15. And see, look carefully all steps one by one, and please do this question yourself in your notebook. Then you will be perfect for attending this question in your exam. After this, next question I have taken is this one. Question is, in this question bracket is also there. So question is 2 upon 3. You can see. Yes. 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 9 of 9 upon 22 divided by 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Understood? So here bracket is there. So first we have to solve bracket. So here 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 9. This we have done. First we have to check whether they are like fraction. If they are not like fraction, we have to make them like fraction. So I have made them like fraction by multiplying this 3 by 3 because 9 is there. So I can make this 3 3 are 9. So I have done this. So 2 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9. The rest of the terms we will write in the same way. No change for the rest of the term. Then 6 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9 of same term. Then 6 plus 5 equal to 11 upon 9. Then of I will write and I will not this right. I have solved the bracket, so I will not put bracket sign. So 11 upon 9 of 9 upon 22 divided by this all. Then 11 upon 9 into of will change into multiplication 9 upon 22. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 11 1 ja 11 and 11 2 ja 22. So here answer is 1 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. So here 1 upon 2 we will do division. So division we will reciprocal this. So into 3 by 2 into 4 by 5 minus 1 upon 5. So here 1 upon 2 into this. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. So 3 upon 4 will be rest minus 1 upon 5. 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 and it is equal to 3 minus 1 2. 2 upon 5 is the answer. This one. So this is the answer and this is the way how you will do this sum. So please try to do sum yourself and understand it properly. Okay? If you will do every step yourself, you will feel good when you will get answer. So keep learning and if you will follow step by step and solve them attentively, you will always get correct answer. So I hope you have understood that much and I think it is enough for you for today. So have a nice day and keep growing, keep learning and have fun with maths. Okay, maths is a very interesting subject and it will surely make you happy when you get the answer. So try it and write in comment section and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make videos more happily. Okay, see you next class.